Today's lesson is going to be about Mawashi uke, or circular block. It is a movement that's heavily featured in Goju Ryu, in fundamentals, in Kihon, in kata, form, bunkai, application, and jukumite, free sparring. In order to practice the rhythm and the flow and the coordination of both hands, we have what Oscar Sensei used to call a helping hand. So you adopt this kamae position with zanshin, that is a constant state of awareness. So from here, the top hand, the helping hand, extends forward. 1, 2. The helping hand makes slight contact. This arm takes over. This reinforces the blocking arm, because now this hand will take over and strike. If someone's got their arm on you, it's really easy to do a joint lock, because you know exactly where the arm is, you know exactly where the joint is. But when the arm's in motion, it's a greater challenge. It's really good practice for your intuitive responses and focus and control. The beauty of Mawashi uke and the importance of coordinating both arms is that maybe you are attacked with both hands. Maybe he's going to grab with 2 hands or punch with 2 hands. So if both my arms are coordinated, they're fully awake, you won't be hurt. So as the attack comes, look, I'm performing the cover. If there's another attack coming, look, I'm performing the actual block. And then from here, I complete the exercise with a strike. The elbows coming in to create this spiraling action with the arms as you extend forward. This is where you'll see the spiraling and extending of Mawashi uke sort of come into play. And this can be against a 2-arm grab, if somebody's grabbed me with 2 arms. Okay, so one arm is spiraling this way. So this hand is doing this basically. I'm spiraling with my elbow. I'm not putting tension in my hand. The moment that I put tension in my hand, I'll wake him up. So I just relax the shoulder and I spiral the elbow in a clockwise direction. And I do the same thing in a clockwise direction with the other hand. Okay, so grab tight. So it's 1, pressure, 2, pressure, and attack.